So you're new to this plant-based lifestyle and you need some dairy-free alternatives. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 dairy-free alternatives to your favorite dairy-based products. Hey guys, and welcome back to The Genius Life. I am Trudy, and on today's video, we're going to be talking about dairy-free alternatives to your most common dairy-based products. I'm talking about like butter, sour cream, cream cheese, all that stuff. Just to give you some background, this all started a couple months back actually in the summertime. I visited a local bakery. It's gluten-free and vegan, and I tried this bagel, which was absolutely amazing, but what came with it is what sparked the interest in me creating this video. So I actually tried for the first time Wayfare's vegan cream cheese, and hello, if you have not tried it, it is amazing. So the first dairy-free alternative is vegan cream cheese by none other than Wayfare. Now, this video is not sponsored. This is just a product that I absolutely love and I wanted to share with you guys. Now, the reason why I really love Wayfare foods so much is one, because it's actually made with real ingredients. I'm talking about butter beans, coconut oil, agave, and oats. I'm talking all organic ingredients. And of course, there are some like gums and things like that in there to preserve and like hold the product together, which is something you can't really avoid when it comes to on the shelf products like this. But it's amazing how real the ingredients are and you can actually read them. Another thing I love about this vegan cream cheese is that it's soy-free. So a lot of us vegans or plant-based eaters, we try to stray away from soy because of all the misinformation that's out there. Some say it's good, some say it's bad, some say it messes with the hormones. So I do still consume soy here and there, but if I can avoid it, I will. So with Wayfare Foods vegan cream cheese, you can absolutely do that if you're like me. 2, vegan butter. So I don't know about you, but butter itself is one of the highest consumed dairy products that personally I had before switching over to a plant-based diet. So when I discovered Wayfare's vegan version, I was super excited because again, it's made with real ingredients, but also it's whipped. Now, I don't know if you've ever had whipped anything, but whipped just spreads on super easy. I'm talking about like smothering, super slow, super creamy. Like it's amazing. And to think it's made with butter beans and oats. I just think this was like genius. Whoever made this was absolutely genius. So yeah, their dairy-free butter is actually salted and it's very nice and fluffy. So it's really good for toast. I add it into my rice. I use it in my baked goods. Everything, you guys can use it in whatever foods you are creating. So you're going to actually see a link in the description box that's going to lead you over to our blog, which describes some ways that I like to use Wayfare products, including their cream cheese, their butter, and the last one that I'm going to be talking about, their vegan sour cream. So number 3, sour cream. Now, sour cream is something I don't always eat. I don't know about you, but when I do eat it, it's usually accompanied with some type of Mexican food. I'm talking about quesadillas, tacos, like burritos, whatever it is, it's usually Mexican. And so you want to have a good sour cream when you're eating Mexican food. And one of the biggest things about moving over to a plant-based diet is sour cream is kind of one of those things that usually get left to the side. You can make your own with like cashews or like tofu, but if you don't want to take the time to do that, this is a really good alternative. So Wayfare Foods vegan sour cream is absolutely amazing. One, again, because it is made with real ingredients, same base, butter beans, oats, organic coconut oil, and agave. And it actually tastes pretty realistic to the real thing. So the only hang up I have about their vegan sour cream is it's a little more firm than your average dairy-based sour cream. So a lot of times when you see like those Dollop-a-Daisy commercials, like the traditional dairy-based sour cream, they'll plop that like circular ice cream scoop worth of sour cream on top of like chili or something like that. and it'll stay together, but like when you are to actually scoop into it, it's really easy to scoop into. When you scoop into Wayfare's vegan sour cream, it's still easy to scoop into, but it's more thicker, more firmer. So in terms of texture, it is slightly different, but literally that's the only thing. It still tastes just like regular sour cream, and it's still dairy-free. So that is it, you guys, for my 3 dairy-free, plant-based alternatives to your average dairy-based products. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them below in the comment section. Don't forget to go over to the blog post, which I'm going to link down below in the description box. Wayfare has actually been super gracious to give us a discount code. So look in the description box as well if you want to check out their products, get you some awesome dairy-free, plant-based, real ingredient, dairy-free based products for you and yours. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.